So that wall right there next to the shower was not there. This was actually a dog bath upstairs. They added in that shelving area there and the wall and created a better spot for people. So the knobs are from Hobby Lobby. So those cute little pictures there are from Graphics Fairy, so you can get those free if you search for those. And there's that beautiful toilet. The detailing on it just makes me think of really good molding. So now we are in Tanya's teenage daughter's room. I wanted to point out their solution for these skylights on their arched roof. So they decided to buy shutters, plantation style shutters, and put them in there, and then they are actually just Velcroed shut. There was a light in here that was a big bubble, kind of something you would actually see in an office. And so they switched that out. That pretty chandelier almost has a Venetian feel to it. That is just from Lowe's. All right, and now we are heading into her son's little room. This little door I would like to show you more about. Such a fun detail for a child. So he gets to come in here with his little buddies, and he's got his own secret little playroom. And something interesting about this room, there is the chimney that comes up through it. But that chimney divides this room into what they call their library or their family room. And this is one of my favorite parts. Tanya had this wall built with shelves. So next I want to show you her bathroom that they newly renovated. Tanya was having trouble with trying to get mildew out of their shower. This is all new tile, all new shower. And they started to take the shower apart, and they knew there was a leak, but when they really took it apart, they realized that the mildew was coming through the grout and it all needed to be redone. So now we're in the master bedroom, and this is on the lower level, which is kind of unique. And they had to redo all the floors, and these are wide planks with square nails because the builder was trying to stay within an old kind of cottage feel. They had to redo all of the trim, and I want you to pay attention to these amazing door handles. These were purposely used to give the house that old cottage feel.